What's going on, my healthy fruit and veggie lovers? This is Kuba and I'm here with my mom today. And we're going to talk about her experience on a 21-day juice cleanse that we did together. So Mama, hello.
Hello, yes. I have an experience. I was on the juice feast 21 days, and from beginning was a little bit hard, maybe 5 days, but later was better and better until 18 of
The day 18.
the day 18.
So the first few days up to day 5 was a little hard, and then you started feeling better and better
of
each
course.
day.
Every night I'm going to sleep. I was happy. I don't have the cramps. Nothing. Just sleep like a baby. And
pain.
in the morning I was thinking, oh my God, I have another juice. It's very nice. And from beginning I planned maybe 1, maybe 3 days, maybe a week. And later I did 3 weeks.
3
And
weeks.
I recommended 18 days. It's the best time. I have a little bit problem with my heart, and because my age, and do you know? And when I start to drink the juices, I feel much better. When it's in as Arenale, we have a sidewalk. We have to go up.
We have to
And
go
I
uphill.
had always problem, but it was finished problem after I drink
So
the juice.
when we would walk uphill, my mom would get tired and have to catch her breath, take a break, because where I'm living, Es Arenal, is very hilly. And during and after the juice cleanse, I noticed, I'm like, Mom, you're not stopping to take a break. She just went, no problem, breathing easy. So that was very interesting.
Yeah, well, now I am eating now, I think, very healthy, because I am vegetarian, and also I do the 3 days or 5 days or a week juice feast again, and I think it's my habit now. Yeah, I am healthy, and I thank you, son, because
And
I feel much better. Before I was drinking smoothies, but now I'm drinking more juices.
juices, yes.
Yeah, juices.
And now every day we drink celery juice
Oh, celery juice is
and
another
orange
story.
juice. Yes, another
Celery
story.
juice is another story.
And my
Soon.
mom always makes 2 or 3 liters of orange juice, because in Mallorca there's so many oranges.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that will be for another video about
Maybe we are
celery.
happy because it's orange, and orange is color. It's always happy.
Orange color is happy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I just learned that too.
Yeah.
So jeszcze chciałaś? Anything else?
No, for today it's enough. Maybe next time I gonna tell about another juice,
Okay, about the celery juice.
celery juice.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you so much, Mama.
Bye.
We're doing
Thank
this
you,
on Mother's
Santu.
Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Mwah. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you. Feel free to comment below about your experience with juice feasting, and like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Much love. Bye. Zdrowie, mamuszka.
Pychotka. What is inside?
Like candy. Pineapple and raspberry.
Ooh.
Cheers for your health.
Cheers.